This is one of Amazon's best-selling motorcycle stands, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to assemble it and how to use it. Now to start taking everything out of the wrapper and make sure you have all the parts. So I've confirmed all the parts are here, and this is the instruction guide. There's nothing there that tells you what to put together first or last, or really how it goes together. It's basically just a picture. So the easiest thing to do is assemble this on a table, and you're going to take these two pieces here. They're both identical. It doesn't matter which one you have on the right or left. Stand them up like this, and then you're going to take this piece and it's going to insert into each side of these. But if you'll notice, this is bent, so you can install this wrong. If you put it on there like this, it's wrong. You'll see these two this is kind of like a rubberized plastic piece on each side right here. These are going to go down. So if it's sitting on the floor, these two kind of horseshoe pieces should be down onto the floor. And if you're holding this level, this should curve up. Now we're going to install the two bolts to connect these together. So when you install the bolts, the nuts and the washers are going to be on the inside surface. So insert the bolt from the outside. Now you're going to add the washer and the nut on both sides. So now you'll notice that the bolt is sticking out because it has a knurled edge to it right here. So now you just take a hammer and hammer that in on both sides. And now you're going to take a 17mm wrench. You can use a socket or a wrench like this, whatever you have, and then go ahead and tighten this up. And you're going to know that it's tight all the way because it's going to suck the head into the frame. That knurled edge is basically going to go into the frame and prevent it from turning. Now the Allen wrench that they provide you in the little parts kit, you really don't need it at all. Now in the parts kit, you're going to see these two pieces here, and you're going to be looking around at wondering, where do these go? Well, they're just replacement parts for these right here. They're basically like a little skid plate, so this doesn't get all scratched up. So once these two wear out, you can take those off and put these on. So there's nowhere for these to go right now. So now you can decide how you want to lift and support your bike. You can either use these, or if you have swing arm sliders, you can use these. You're just going to make sure that these plastic star nuts are backed all the way out. And then these are going to go on the inside. And then all I do is just snug down that star nut until you get it lined up with your bike. And then these are going to swivel like this, so that as you get this lined up and you pop your bike up, this swivels around and stays supported. So let me show you how it looks. So if you're going to do this by yourself, you got to be pretty careful. So you're just going to kind of line up your lift. I've got it lined up here. And on the other side, looks like it's lined up pretty well. So now I'm just holding the bike straight up and down. I'm just going to use my foot. And now the bike is supported. Now if you want to take the bike off the stand, I always keep the kickstand down no matter what. You're going to support the bike, the handlebar, and the tail section. And then just get under here with your foot. And that's how you take it off. And that's it, guys. That's the full assembly and how you use one of these motorcycle stands. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.